Hello to all and welcome to my channel and wish you very happy new year and maybe and I hope this 2025 year blossom will blossom full and happily for you in healthy in the speaking of English. So yes, so I want to talk about one how are you ready for your English speaking challenge. I was because I get you the English speaking challenge because it's a year 2025. If you are not learning English speaking skills in this year, so you just forgot about how to learn English. It's not how to learn English, it's just speaking in English. So this is the way. So if you don't know how to speak English in a way that all the people communicated like in offices, in call centers, in many ways, because all people are like to talking in English in India. There are so many people. So I want to you to my community, you who love me or my videos, just talk in English, just basic, just in regular words, like basic sentences, like basic vocabulary. I don't need to you don't want to speak with vocabulary. Just speak in English, like in the, like a regular word. I just want you to take out for 5 minutes and just speak English in whatever. Just choose a topic, whatever topic, what is a short topic, or just like describe your day, like all day. Just describe your day and just start talking about it and how got your day, how you commute, and what time will you reach your office or your workplace or your school. So in that way, and while you in that way you are continuously English speaking in English, and you are habitual, and your mouth will habitual to speak in English. Like talk in any other way, like if you're going to the kitchen, just talk. Yeah, this is my kitchen. Yeah, this is turmeric and this is jeera. Not in jeera, but yes, this is jeera. And what I should make. Yes, in this way, just think in English and just speak. Not think in English, just speak. You have to speak, because when you speak regularly, it makes your mind habitual to remind you that yes, you're speaking English. And in continuously you like inconsistent, you just talk, that's like normal, talk like normal. You don't fumble. And in my journey, I learned how to speak in English in a natural way and speak slowly, and either other person understand your what you're speaking. Okay, so I want to know about the basic ways of speaking English. Is that that's reading, that I already told you about reading, but reading in many ways, reading in the newspapers, reading is books. If you're not habitual to read books, or if you are not into reading, not don't like reading, so I would suggest you, so start reading and English books. And English book, like if you don't like many heavy books like reading literature like books, no, don't read, don't I don't like to talk about it. So just read short stories, because short stories is a very natural way to speak. Just read and speak in English, because it's a short story and you just it makes enhance your English in many ways. Short stories, if you read short stories while you making any vocabulary, just one word of vocabulary, find in it and just read out in your notebook, just write in a notebook. So in this way you can have a vocabulary words, you have make a book of vocabulary words. Just read one story a day. I don't want you to just read the whole day. Just read one short story one day, and read and any about on this topic, they like topic discussion, Like even if you like, if you just describe an object that you like, describe your gadget. If you like a mobile phone, okay, like mobile phone, or when you buy, how about you buy, how do you like it, just take the all the compliments, okay. So in this way you start your journey while speaking English. And all other, I already mentioned other topic as read aloud. Just if you read short story, okay, if you read short story, so just read aloud, but just read and first and just speak, read aloud, okay, just read, okay. In this way you this is habitual your tongue to speak English, okay. And in this way you are just your mind have full of English. This is enhanced and you're thinking in English, okay. So in this way you can um, present your talking in another person in English in a general talking way, okay. Just how are you? Yes, I am well and good. Yes, how are you? Yes, I'm fit as fiddle. Fit as fiddle means, yes, this is a vocabulary word. Fit as fiddle means I'm healthy enough. Yes, yeah, it means you do regularly exercise and do gym and yoga. So you are fit as fiddle. Okay, so this is the word fit as fiddle. If you write on, so just write it and write it and use in a vocabulary word. But whenever you meet a person who is very energetic and healthy and do exercise regularly, so you can say, yeah, you are fit as fiddle. You looking fit as fiddle. Okay, so in this way you can enhance your speaking skills. And other ways, like English newspapers is very much like one article and just read aloud and just mark the vocabulary words which you don't understand. Just check the Google dictionary, okay, and just find the words and do it regularly. And one another way I want to tell you, and it's a very very important way, and also it's very enjoyable way. While you are traveling, while you are going somewhere, or out of station, just when I want to tell you, just when you're traveling, you are in a bus or in a train or somewhere, some people like to go to in a own car, private car, taxi. So just go and read the, whenever read, just read the shop's name in English. Read the shop's name in English and just revision it in your mind and how the speak. Just read the spellings of the, just like shop name is Lalita. Lalita. Shop name is Lalita. So you just going away and just Lalita, Lalita. Just pronounce it. In this way, your mouth will be working in this way. Just take your accent, Lalita. And this is a very good way to learn English while you're traveling. It's a very enjoyable way. Also, you enhance your English, like you many people note the spelling and the mistakes of the spellings. Okay, so in this way you write the spellings in English. Okay, so in this way this is very very good and enjoyable way to learn English and enhance your speaking skills also. So while you traveling, while you just one other point, while you traveling, just note, just pick up your diary and note down where you will go. Then first, if you go to Himachal, then first go to like a journal. First go, just write it. Just I go to Himachal. I'm going to Himachal, and then I go to this place. Then I visit this temple. Then I go to this. Then I eat that kind of food. It's very delicious. Okay, it's very delicious. It's lots of food and enjoy. Just write like a story, like a story. Your own journal, like a story. This makes your writing also very, your writing more like more beneficial in your speaking skill, always as well as writing too. So in this way, I find it most interesting because I read while I'm traveling, I like it like a journal. I am going this way. I am going to I took this eat this delicious food, and there's all awesome delicacies, souvenirs. I take some souvenirs from that thing. So yes, this kind of words you using in a regular way in a daily to daily life, just it will be good. So, this is the way to start your speaking journey in the year 2025. I'm with you whenever you have find difficulty in any kind of speaking skill. You just comment me on my YouTube channel. First, you have to subscribe it, like, share, and comment, and just with me. I uploaded daily regular vocabulary words and other kinds of words. Just you have to include your journey, include your English journey. So just be with me. Just start your and buckle up. Just buckle up and start your journey in 2025. Yes, I will be fluent in English in this year. I will be consistent to learning English. So in this way, I wind up doing that, and I just like, share, and subscribe to. And anything you want to discuss me, any word or any kind of your problem you have speaking, just comment to me on my YouTube channel. Also, you can join me on Instagram. Instagram also inspired Jasmine Kaur in my link. So just DM me on there. Okay. So bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.